Tired of bulky vacuums taking over your space? Meet the Bissell CleanView Compact, built for everyday cleaning. Reason 1. Powerful suction that tackles messes fast. It lifts dirt from carpets with impressive strength. And on hard floors, scatter-free tech keeps debris controlled. No more chasing crumbs across the kitchen. Reason 2. Ultra-lightweight design makes cleaning easy. Weighing under 8 pounds, it moves with you effortlessly. Perfect for apartments, dorms, and smaller homes. Easy to carry, easy to store, easy to love. Reason 3. The removable extension wand adds serious reach. Clean curtains, upholstery, baseboards, and tight corners confidently. That quick-release wand handles above-floor messes in seconds. You get one vacuum for floors and hard-to-reach spots. The bagless dirt container empties quickly with one button. No messy bags, no extra hassle, just simple cleanup. It also maneuvers smoothly around furniture and tight spaces. That means less effort and more cleaning done. Designed for carpets and hard floors, it fits daily life. Busy households need tools that work without slowing them down. Pet owners will appreciate the strong pickup and easy maintenance. Budget-conscious shoppers get performance without paying for bulk. And every purchase supports the Bissell Pet Foundation. So your cleaning upgrade helps save homeless pets too. Compact power, lightweight convenience, and versatile cleaning in one. That's exactly what small space living has been missing. If you want easier cleaning, this is a smart pick. Tap to learn more and bring it home today. Your floors, furniture, and schedule will thank you. Order now and make everyday cleaning feel effortless.